guys, today Hershey made a huge announcement about a new entrance, new restaurants, and many other upgrades for the 2020 season. We're going to focus on the coaster and the layout as best we can. So in this shot we can see the layout best with the ride going out towards the old golf course and back. It looks like a somewhat standard hammerhead turnaround, two major air hills, one speed air hill, a tight helix, and the finale around the fountain. We can also look at the plans submitted by Hersheypark that show a general idea of what space the layout will take up. You can also spot some footers in this image. And then here's a Google Map overlay of that space. And after all these details, here's the general layout that we came up with of the 2020 Hersheypark B&M Hyper.